Good morning, students. In the next exercise, exercise 6E, there are some problems based on simultaneous equations. So let's see question number 1. It is given that the ratio of two numbers is 2/3. If 2 is subtracted from the first and 8 from the second, the ratio becomes the reciprocal of the original ratio. Find the numbers. So in the question number 1, it is given that the ratio of two numbers is 2/3. So suppose we have taken, let the numbers be x and y. According to the question, it is given that the ratio of x and y is 2/3. So x upon y equals to 2/3. On cross multiplying, we get 3x equals to 2y. It implies that 3x minus 2y equals to 0. This is equation number first. Now it is given in the question that if 2 is subtracted from the first and 8 is subtracted from the second number. If 2 is subtracted from the first number, then the first number will become x minus 2. And if 8 is subtracted from the second number, then the second number was y. So second number will now become y minus 8. And it is also given that if 2 is subtracted from the first number and 8 from the second number, then the ratio becomes the reciprocal of the original ratio. Means if now the ratio will be taken of these two numbers, it will be equal to the reciprocal of the original ratio. So original ratio कितना था 2/3 and therefore its reciprocal will become 3/2. So according to the given statement, x minus 2 upon y minus 8 is equal to 3/2. Now again on cross multiplying, we get 2 into x minus 2 equals to 3 into y minus 8. On multiplying inside, we get 2x minus 4 equals to 3y minus 24. On simplifying it, taking the variables towards the left hand side and the constant term towards the right hand side, we got 2x minus 3y equals to minus 20. This is equation number second and this was equation number first. Now we are multiplying equation first by 2 and equation second by 3. Because what we have to find in the question, we have to find the numbers. So the numbers are x and y. We will find the value of x and y. So on multiplying equation first by 2 and equation second by 3, we get 2 into 3x minus 2y equals to 0. Then we will get 6x minus 4y equals to 0. And on multiplying by 3 in the second equation, this is equation number second, we get 6x minus 9y equals to minus 60. Now on subtracting the equation number second from equation number first, we get 5y equals to 60. It implies that y equals to 12. Now substituting the value of y in equation number first, we got 3x minus 2 into 12 equals to 0. Means 3x equals to 24. It implies that x equals to 8. So finally the value of x is 8 and the value of y is 12. And it was only asked in the question that find the numbers. So the numbers are 8 and 12. Now see question number 3. In the third question, it is given that when the greater of the two numbers increased by 1 divides the sum of the number, then the result is 3/2. When the difference of these numbers is divided by the smaller, the result is 1/2. So find the numbers. So in question number 3, we have to find the numbers. So let the numbers be x and y such that x is greater than y. Then according to the given statement, it was given in the question that when the greater of the two numbers increased by 1. So in our case, we have taken x is greater than y. So when x is increased by 1, it will become x plus 1. And when the greater of the two number increased by 1 divides the sum of the number, means sum of the numbers will be x plus y. तो जब x plus y को x plus 1 डिवाइड करता है, when x plus y is divided by x plus 1, then the result is 3 by 2. And when the difference of these numbers, so the difference of x and y will be x minus y. When the difference of these numbers is divided by the smaller number, so in our case the smaller number is y. So when the difference of these two numbers is divided by the smaller number, that is y, then the result is 1 by 2. So in this way, two equations we will get. On simplifying this part, we will get, on cross multiplying, we will get 2 into x plus y equals to 3 into x plus 1. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, यहाँ से पहली इक्वेशन आएगी माइनस एक्स प्लस 2y इक्वल टू 3. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. ऑन cross multiplying this, we will get another equation 2x minus 3y equals to 0. Now we will apply the elimination method for finding the values of x and y. Elimination method of equating the coefficients. So multiplying equation first by 2, we get minus 2x plus 4y equal to 6. अब हम क्या करेंगे, सेकेंड इक्वेशन को इस वाली इक्वेशन में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. We will add these equations, we will not subtract it, we will add them because coefficient of x are same in both the equations but their signs are different. Here minus 2 is given, here plus 2 is given. So we will directly add them. On adding, these two terms will be cancelled and we will get y equal to 6. Now putting y equals to 6 in equation number first, we got minus x plus 2 into 6 equals to 3. On solving, we get x equals to 9. Thus the value of one number is 9, that is x equals to 9 and y equals to 6, and the greater number is 9 and the smaller number is 6 here. So it was only asked to find the value of these numbers. Now just see question number 6. In the sixth question, it is given that the difference between two positive numbers x and y, and it is given that x is greater than y. So the difference between two positive numbers x and y is 4 and the difference between their reciprocals is 4 upon 21. We have to find the numbers. So it is given that the two positive numbers are x and y such that x is greater than y. So according to question, it is given that the difference between the two positive numbers is 4. Therefore, x minus y equals to 4. This is equation number 1. Now, since it is given that x is greater than y, x अगर y से बड़ा है, तो अगर हम x का जो रेसिप्रोकल निकालेंगे, वो क्या होगा 1 upon x. y का रेसिप्रोकल होगा 1 upon y. अगर x y से बड़ा है, तो 1 upon x 1 upon y से छोटा होगा. Let's take two numbers in place of x and y for understanding in a better way. Suppose we have taken 4 and 2. 4 is greater than 2. 4 2 से बड़ा है. अब अगर मैंने 4 का रेसिप्रोकल लिया तो वो हो जाएगा 1 by 4 और 2 का रेसिप्रोकल 1 by 2. 1 upon 4 का मतलब क्या है 0.25 और 1 by 2 का मतलब है 0.5. तो अब 1 by 4 और 1 by 2 में से कौन सा ग्रेटर है 0.25 और 0.5 में से which one is greater 0.5 is greater. 0.5 is greater than 0.25, which means that 1 upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 4. तो 4 greater than था 2 से, लेकिन जब 4 का रेसिप्रोकल किया और 2 का रेसिप्रोकल किया तो अब 1 upon 2 greater than 1 upon 4 से. So in this way only we can say that since x and y were two positive numbers and it was already given in the question that x is greater than y, so on taking their reciprocal the sign of inequality will change. 1 upon x will be less than 1 upon y. Now the next statement which is given in the question is that the difference between their reciprocals is 4 upon 21. So since the difference is positive, it means that 1 upon y minus 1 upon x will be equal to 4 by 21. जब हम बड़े नंबर में से छोटे नंबर को माइनस करते हैं तभी हमारा डिफरेंस पॉजिटिव आता है. Since 1/y is greater than 1/x, therefore the difference will be 1/y minus 1/x equals to 4/21. On simplifying it, we get 21x minus y equals to 4xy. This is equation number second. Now from equation number first, it was given x minus y equals to 4. यहाँ से हमने x को सब्जेक्ट बनाया और x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई 4 प्लस वाई. अब इस x की इस वैल्यू को उठा के हम सेकंड इक्वेशन में लगाएंगे. सो ऑन सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग x इक्वल्स टू 4 प्लस वाई इन इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड वी गेट 21 x की जगह पर लगाया 4 प्लस वाई minus y equals to 4xy. In place of x here also we will put in the place of x we will put 4 plus y. 4 plus y, so 4x and y was given here. So on solving it, y plus y and minus y will be cancelled, and then 4 into 21 we will get 84 equals to 4 plus y into y. Then this 4 will go down. यहाँ पे 4 का मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो इक्वल टू के दूसरी तरफ जाने पे डिवाइड होगा 4 से. सो 84/4 इक्वल्स टू इस वाले y का अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे देन वी विल गेट 4y प्लस y इंटू वाई दैट इज y स्क्वायर. इसको सॉल्व किए यहाँ से हमें मिला 21 इक्वल्स टू 4y प्लस y स्क्वायर. देन वी हैव टेकन द वेरिएबल पार्ट टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड द कांस्टेंट पार्ट आल्सो टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ओनली. कांस्टेंट ऑलरेडी लेफ्ट में नहीं रखा था, हमने क्या किया वेरिएबल वाला पार्ट है इसको भी हम लेफ्ट साइड में लेके आए. सो देयर साइन विल चेंज माइनस y स्क्वायर माइनस 4y प्लस 21 इक्वल्स टू 0. We have taken negative common from all the three terms and finally it will become y square plus 4y minus 21 equals to 0. हमने क्या किया नेगेटिव टर्म नेगेटिव का साइन तीनों में से कॉमन ले लिया. Then we have applied the splitting method for doing the factorization here. Y square. Now what we want? First of all we will multiply the constant term with the coefficient of y square. So it is minus 21 and the middle term is given 4y. So we want two numbers whose multiplication should be minus 21y square and on adding or subtracting them we should get the middle term. So they are 7y and 3y. Y square plus 7y minus 3y minus 21 equals to 0. This you know very well how to do. Then we have taken y common from first two terms. Y inside the bracket we will get y plus 7. From these two terms we have taken minus 3 common. Inside the bracket we will get y plus 7 equals to 0. Then y plus 7 y minus 3 equals to 0. Now since the product of these two numbers is 0, it means that either the first term that is y plus 7 will be equals to 0 or y minus 3 will be equals to 0. So if y plus 7 is equal to 0 then the value of y will be minus 7 and if y minus 3 is equals to 0 then the value of y is 3. But now which value of y we will take? We will take our answer as y equals to 3 because it was already given in the question that x and y are the two positive numbers. So this value will not be accepted of y because it is negative and therefore the value of y will be 3. Now we will put the value of y in equation number first. On solving we get x equals to 7. So the numbers are 7 and 3.